about the many different ways that you can monetize your digital publishing business. And I'm excited about sharing with you these multiple ways that you can make some money, honey. Hey guys, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. I'm your digital publishing bestie. Super excited about talking about multiple streams of income because y'all know I love to help you to get to the money, honey. Okay. We're in this to make a huge impact on where we are, but we're also here to make some money, honey. Okay. First things first, selling digital products. This is something that I teach my clients to do. Take your knowledge and expertise and create digital products. You can create things like low content books, publishing journals, planners, notebooks on platforms such as Amazon, KDP, Etsy, or even your own website. Also, ebooks, okay? Ebooks. You can write and sell ebooks in your niche. These are including like guides, workbooks, in-depth how-to ebooks, okay? Another one is courses and workshops, okay? Listen, you can take your ebooks and turn those into courses and workshops where you can provide those educational products to teach other women or men or even your audience on how they can do what you are doing, okay? And don't forget about your templates. You can offer ready to use templates for the journals and the planners, the ebooks, as well as websites. Okay. So, another way that you can create income in your digital publishing business is offering services. So, if you're like me and you are very vast into writing and publishing books, you can think about doing book coaching. I'm teaching a client right now how to start her own book publishing company. And that's one of the things that she is doing. She is taking her knowledge and expertise in offering book coaching where you can help those aspiring authors to write and publish their own books. Also, you can have you thought about offering editing and formatting services? If that's something that you're vast at doing, you can do that. You could offer ebook or maybe custom book creation as well. This is where you can provide the design services. You can provide the unique journals and planners. That's what I do at She Writes Digital Hub. And also, you can also think about doing maybe like a relaunch services. This is a great way for individuals that already have best-selling books and maybe they need to get more sales. You can help them to redesign their cover, their description, and maybe even a marketing plan. All right. Now, here's my favorite way to monetize is with memberships. And this is with the S. You don't necessarily need to have just one membership, but you can offer exclusive content, access to memberships like your templates, your courses, your coaching for a monthly fee. You can also charge for groups, like maybe charge for community. You can have resources and coaches within that community as well. Here is my favorite is having a tiered subscription model. This is where you can offer different levels. So you may have an advanced level, you may have a beginner level, you may have the person that's like intermediate. You can have that there as well. So having a tiered subscription model would definitely be super amazing for you. Now, you can also in your digital publishing business offer affiliate marketing. This is where you can partner with different programs and platforms that's going to help you to create income. So, like if you're going to offer, for example, you're a part of Canva's affiliate program, every time that you offer Canva, you put it in your blogs, put the link in your blogs. Maybe you like me, you do YouTube videos, you can put the link in your description. And when someone clicks on it and they actually purchase, you will get a fee for it. Okay, so you can earn commission. I love affiliate marketing because I love absolutely offering or presenting, especially here on YouTube with different platforms and different tools that I use. I offer that opportunity for you to use those. And then I get a kickback every time that you purchase. Okay. So even with your affiliate marketing too, you can embed your links in your blogs. I love doing this with my SEO platforms like a YouTube, medium.com, my blogs on Substack. You can do that, especially if you're offering amazing content that people will like. You can definitely make sure that you can get a kickback every time someone, clicks on your link. Okay. Don't forget about selling physical products. Now, this is something that I am getting ready to tap into with my physical products, especially different t-shirts. So, like, you can not just, I know we have the journals and planners and things, but think about selling your own branded merchandise. Okay. So, I have some nice designs that I'm going to have coming out here on my YouTube channel because I'm monetized. Well, I'm the first level of monetization. So, I'm able to put my t-shirt brand on my videos, right? So I have some branded t-shirts that I'm going to have made that has digital publisher up there. Also have pins. You can do mugs. Anything that's dealing with your digital publishing business, you can definitely have merch. People are always wearing t-shirts, okay? People are always having mugs. I know me, I buy a whole bunch of mugs. I have a lot of t-shirts, so you can have those things too. Here's another way that you can monetize in your digital publishing business is creating a high ticket program. Now, I have a high ticket program where I work with women work one on one. If you want to work with me for 90 days in your digital publishing business, this is where I'm your coach. I am helping you to facilitate your business, making sure your systems are together. I coach my students in those capacities in digital publishing. I'm there with them if they have quick questions. We have Voxer, and also we have a monthly session as well. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link in my description. You can book a call, and if you are in that place where you want to work with someone one on one, if you like me, I'm your coach. You want to work with me, that's definitely an opportunity for you to do that. But you can do that in your own business. Now, I don't suggest that you have the high ticket program as like your number one services. It's not for me. A lot of my income comes from affiliate marketing, my low content books, and because I have one-on-one services, I can't work with a lot of people. So I always limit it to at least 3 women at a time that I can work with, but I charge a premium price for that. So it doesn't, I don't need a whole lot of people to be able to make the income that I want within my program. Now, here's one that I definitely want to suggest that you do even as a digital publisher is content sponsorships. Okay, this is where you can collaborate with different brands and companies to sponsor content on your platform. So like for example, I have a newsletter, right? So I have a daily newsletter that I send out. You can actually I have a sponsorship where you can sponsor. I think it's like $27 you can pay, and I will share your link to my list. So this is another reason why you want to have an email list as a digital publisher, because your email list will become an asset. It will become much valuable because why? People are going to pay you to sponsor or share their information to like your newsletter. But you can also do these content sponsorships through like your YouTube channel. I am starting to do those with my YouTube, TikTok. If you have TikTok, your Medium platform as well. If you have grown your Medium platform, you get into a space where you have, I say, at least 1,000 or so followers. You have some engagement on your Medium articles. You can sponsor your content. So you can write articles on specific things. And I did this as well. I wrote an article for an individual that paid for sponsorship. They wanted me to write an article about their services. And what I do is I share my Medium articles to my newsletter as well. So they get the double whammy. So not only are you on my Medium platform and you're going to stay there, but then you also get the opportunity as well for it to get shown to more people, because I also share it to my newsletter. And sometimes, more than likely, I'm also going to do a YouTube video, because that's how I repurpose my content. So if I do a YouTube video, like I take my YouTube videos and I turn those into Medium blogs. So I'll do the same thing with any type of sponsorship. If you pay for sponsorship, I'm going to make sure that your content can get out to, or your links or whatever can get out to as many people as possible. But there are so many multiple ways that you can make multiple streams of income in your digital publishing business. These are just a few that I named, and all of these I participate in. Okay, that's the great thing about being a digital publisher. You can make multiple streams of income. Now, when I teach my students, I teach them, to have that one way they make income and then start adding on to it, because that's what I did. I've been in publishing for a long time, so I knew about writing and publishing books. So that was really how I started. Then I added on a newsletter, and then I always did affiliate marketing, but I took that up another level. And then I started writing on Medium and making income there. So I know it seems like a lot. However, it definitely is amazing when you can make money it's like you can make money every single day in your digital publishing business. Okay. So listen, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all know I love to talk about multiple streams of income in digital publishing. So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, if you are in business and you want to get into digital publishing, you want to figure out, okay, how can I take my knowledge and expertise, leverage it to create these different products and services, come join me at the Digital Publishers Online Business Blueprint. This is my free workshop where you will get instant access to this on-demand workshop where you will learn how I do it. I'm sharing with you my framework, how you can get this done in order, and making it so super simple for you as well. Okay. But if you're ready to dive in and get coaching with me, and you want to pay a monthly be a part of my membership, I have a community where I'm showing you how to create those multiple streams of income as a digital publisher, really breaking it down. You get exclusive coaching with me as well. Come join the Digital Publishers Academy, because that's where I hang out. Okay. So until the next time, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions below. And if you made it this far, let me know which multiple stream of income you will start first as a digital publisher. Okay. I'll talk to you guys soon.